Hey everyone, Ashley, team member over at ROVI Homes. Today I'm here at Dairy Cream at Bradley International, one of my favorite ice cream spots in the area. And fun fact, I actually used to work here in high school, and look at me here now. Not only is this one of my favorite ice cream spots, it's one of the local favorites here in Windsor Locks, Connecticut. Established in 1954, this is ultimately a really cool spot for antique cars to come and show off what they have. This is called Dairy Cream at Bradley International because aside from the airport, this is the only thing around especially serving soft serve ice cream at the time. Not only does Dairy Cream have an assortment of hard ice cream flavors, they also have a new flavor of the week, my favorite being the black raspberry vanilla twist. But there's plenty of outdoor seating, including benches, picnic tables, and my favorite spot to eat a cone is right up in the tree. Yeah, that tree right there. You can literally like sit on the tree. I love traveling, so it's really cool for me to be able to see all the planes coming in and out, and also just see the community come together for a really great spot. And what's your name? Connor and Paisley. All right, guys. Can you tell me what your favorite ice cream flavor is?
Banana.
Banana, yum. Can you guys show me how much you love ice cream? Is it like this, or do you really love ice cream?
I really love it.
You really love ice cream? Like this? Like that? Thanks for joining me for an ice cream cone today at Dairy Cream at Bradley International. If you're ever in Windsor Locks, Connecticut, or looking for a great local spot for ice cream, this is the place to be. Feel free to reach out to me at the number below for all your real estate needs in Connecticut and Massachusetts.